Hey, what's up everyone? In this video we'll be talking about the Redmi 10A. Now the A series is the Redmi's low budget smartphone series and we don't expect much from it, but this series is really important because a lot of people are buying the entry level smartphones and Redmi provides really good specs at the really good price. So we talk about the design. Here it features this display on the front. We also have this water drop notch and the bezels are also thick. On the rear we have this type of camera module with the Redmi branding, and we also have fingerprint scanner. Now this camera module looks similar to Realme phones and I don't understand why Redmi is doing this by copying the old Realme design. But okay, that's fine. Let's talk about the specs here. What exactly we are going to get in the new Redmi 10A. So first of all, the display here will be the 6.53-inch display and this one will be the IPS LCD display with HD plus of resolution. So the resolution here will be the 1600x720p and we will have this water drop type of notch. So guys, this one features large 6.53-inch display, but the resolution is only HD plus, which is expected. Now in terms of the chipset, this one features MediaTek Helio G25. G25 is having the 2 GHz peak clock speed and this one will be good enough for these basic tasks. So yeah guys, G25 here, and also we will talk about the camera module here. As we can see, we will have dual cameras on the rear. The main sensor will be 13MP sensor and it will be supported by the 2MP depth sensor. So yeah, dual cameras on the rear, and on the front also we'll get 5MP selfie camera inside this notch. Now Redmi 10A will be available in different variants like 2GB, 3GB and 4GB RAM options, and also 32GB, 64GB, 128GB storage options. And we also get the microSD card slot for the memory expansion up to 512GB. We also get 3.5mm headphone jack here, and we finally have the fingerprint scanner in this new A series. Now this new 10A will be 9mm thick and the weight will be only 194 grams. Also it will support 4G LTE and we will not have 5G connectivity here, and it runs on the MIUI 12.5 based on the Android 11. Now in terms of the battery, this one features 4900 mAh of battery with 10 watt charging speed. Now 4900 mAh battery is large battery, but 10 watt charging speed, it will take a long time to fully charge. But hey, we can't ask much at this price. Also this time the 10A will be available in multiple colors and we will get red, green, blue, orange, black, grey, silver. Oh, lot of colors option here. Now in terms of the launch, the new Redmi 10A will be launched in upcoming months. I would say upcoming 1 or 2 months they are going to launch this one. And in terms of the price will be around $100, or we can say 7,000 to 8,000 rupees. So yeah, this one will be a really good option for the people who want a smartphone for the basic task, and out of features large display here. We also get fingerprint scanner and the battery here is also large enough. So yeah, what do you guys think about the smartphone, and what about the camera module and the Redmi branding, the Realme copy? What do you guys think? Please comment down below. And yeah, thank you for watching this video. See you later in my next video.